environmental stress. This means that there are episodes of destruction caused by human influence that result in constraints on the development and productivity of natural organisms, communities, and ecosystems. Biomes that are extremely damaged by the cattle agriculture and that have major negative consequences on the environment that affect Albertans and humans are temperate grasslands, also known as the prairies, containing tall, mixed, and short grasses, with 25 to 60 centimeters of precipitation per year, where finite areas are converted for cattle pasture. Evergreen tropical rainforests are warm regions, a biome that contains most biodiversity, with copious amounts of precipitation, where clear-cutting of cattle pastures removes diversity. Human-dominated ecosystems result in natural habitats totally converted and changed, ecological damage of pollution and disturbances, and a crisis of biodiversity removing native species and resulting in extinction.
Cattle are one of the main causes of deforestation. Livestock requires a lot of land. They occupy 26% of Earth's ice-free land, and their pastures account for 70% of deforested areas in the Amazon. This constant increase of cattle causes farmers to look for land. Most of the time, to retrieve this land requires deforestation. By cutting down trees, it is a major driver in a loss of biodiversity as well as an increase in greenhouse gas emissions by releasing carbon previously stored in trees.
Greenhouse gases are gases that absorb infrared radiation from the sun and then emit the radiation into the atmosphere. The result is a net trapping of energy that warms the Earth's surface. The primary GHGs in the Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Livestock digest forages through an anaerobic process. While all animals produce methane during digestion, cattle and other ruminants produce more due to a relatively low feed fermentation. Manure releases carbon dioxide. If manure is stockpiled or stored, it forces the production of methane. Proper manure management can help mitigate GHG emissions. This is the carbon cycle. Manure influences the carbon cycle. This is the nitrogen cycle. Manure influences the nitrogen cycle.
Livestock manure contains high amounts of ammonia, especially from cattle. When ammonia is dissolved in water, it can convert into highly toxic nitrates. High levels of nitrates in drinking water is very poisonous to humans. High levels of pathogens are found in manure, and during a runoff, these pathogens can be transferred to local water supplies. Antibiotics and hormones are excreted from livestock, and along with livestock waste pollutes water. Copper and zinc are essential for animal growth. They're present in animal feed along with chromium, lead, argon, cadmium in higher concentrations. Excretion through manure leads to soil fertilization and water pollution. Salts such as sodium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, chloride, and sulfate excreted from cattle increase salinity in waterways, making water brackish, which is unfit for humans.